Hi everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I've got an unboxing. I don't want to call it an unboxing because it's not really a box, but it's a unboxing. So let's get started with the video. So today's unboxing is this package that I got in the mail today. I think it came over the weekend. I just was able to get it from my PO box today. It's supposed to be a jewelry subscription kind of a thing, and I'll leave all the information down below, and there is also a 10% off code for it if you guys want to sign up. So let me start opening this thing while we chat. So how have you guys been? Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, this should be interesting. It's supposed to be jewelry. Gotta light a piece off. So let's see how this looks like. My son and I just came home a little while ago, so I got laundry started, and yeah. Okay, so I got the thing open. There's a little box inside there with a little green thing. So let's get that thing out of there. So, oh, this is cute. Has this little wax seal on it. This is so cute. A seahorse. So this is how the box looks like. You guys can see it. Let's see if we can take off the ribbon. I want to keep this wax seal. I've heard of these things, but I haven't known how to do it. Okay, I got the ribbon off, so now we can open the bags up. Oh, there's a little piece of candy in here. How cute is that? Wasn't expecting that, that's for sure. And then it's an empty box. And then here's the wrapping tissue paper. Open this thing up. Green tissue paper. And it's by the company Mint Mongoose. And then here's the code and stuff on the back, which I'll link down below so you guys can see it. But of course I'll put everything in the description box down below. I have 3 items here. Unfortunately, I don't wear earrings, so this is a pair of earrings. I don't know what this is, so I would have to open it. And then this looks like a bracelet. So let me open these up. Okay, so here is the bracelet I'm opening up. Looks like a bracelet anyway. This is how it looks like. Now I have big wrists, as you guys can see. So yeah, it doesn't go on. So yeah, this is the bracelet. That doesn't fit my wrist. So that's how it looks like. Maybe I can give it to somebody that I know that probably can make use of it, because I hate getting things that it goes to waste. But unfortunately that doesn't fit on my wrist. And this is the earrings that it came with. I used to have pierced ears. I don't know if you guys can see the holes. I had like 2 holes. I had 2 piercings right here on each side. You can see a better of it over here. It closed up years ago. When I was younger, I used to get fevers all the time, so that's why I ended up just taking out the piercings. I don't know why that happened, but how it happened, but it ended up happening. But here are the earrings that came in the set. It looks like a dangly hoop thing. And this is the both sides. You would wear it like this, but of course I didn't have earrings. I mean ear holes, and I think that's the that white thing is the clasp for it. But it's pretty cute though. I think it's cute. So again, I think I'll send the bracelet and earrings to somebody that can make use of it. So let's do the last one. It looks like maybe it could be a necklace, which probably will most likely work for me. So let's get this thing open. And our last product of the day. I am filming on my iPad, and I have the bad habit of, even when I'm not filming on my phone, instead of looking at the viewfinder, always looking at the screen. So that's why it's off. What I'm looking at. So this little bubble wrap thing. Oh, it looks like it. Ooh, there's little. Oh, necklace. It like the earrings. Can you see that? Pretty neat. So let's see how this looks like. Okay, wait. I'm confused. Is it supposed to be like a double layer kind of a thing? But if it is, it looks like this. Let me see if I can put it on and see how it looks like. Well, that's how it looks like. Let me see if I can put it on. Okay, I got the necklace on, so let me back up so that way maybe you guys can see. Wait, there we go. Just needed to bring my iPad more forward. So this is how it looks like when you wear it. Probably because I'm just dressed in casual, my casual everyday wear. This will probably be perfect for like when you guys go out or want to dress up for something, like for work, you know, if you work in an office, that kind of a thing. But that's what it looks like. It's good for maybe for formal, or you want to dress something up, you know, or like work if you work in an office and you need to kind of or dress up, or you want to dress up an outfit. That's what it probably will be good for. So this is what it's good for, most likely. Okay, so back to the necklace. This is how it will look like on a shirt. Well, it will probably look better on a dressy shirt, and I don't have one. But this is how it looks like. I know there's like glare from the sun. Yeah, but there you go. That's how it looks like. And I must say, for 3 out of 3, I'm trying to prop up. There we go. 3 out of 3. I'm trying to prop up my iPad. So I must say, 3 out of the 3 items that was sent, the necklace definitely suits me. I guess if, well, it's the one thing that actually I could possibly use, which is awesome. Because like I said, I did have pierced ears before. I had like 2 on each side, so I had a total of 4 ear piercings. I know that's nothing compared to like some other people, and the bracelet doesn't fit. So yeah, so just 1 out of 3 is good. But you know what, I know there must be some people like, oh, you shouldn't like gift it or give it to somebody else. But you know what, if it doesn't work for you and somebody else could make a use of it, why not, right? So I hope you guys like this video. It's something different, and you know, I truly appreciate getting these things and doing these things for you guys, and I thought this was a nice touch. The Weather's original candy, of course. So yes, please go to Mint Mongoose. Their information is on the back here, mintmongoose.com. And then with your, it says give this card to a friend and they will receive their first box for $7 plus shipping and handling with code for 7. So if you guys like jewelry and you like getting like subscription boxes like this in the mail, please go to mintmongoose.com and yeah, get your first code for 7 off here, and I'll link everything down below, and get your subscription in, and yeah, it's cute. I like it actually, even though two of the things actually don't fit me or I can't put to use. I like it, you know. It's better than getting bills in the mail. Come on, people. So anyway, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, if there's any type of other subscriptions out there that you guys would like me to get somehow, and like if I have to buy it for monthly subscriptions, or even like whatever, if you guys want me to like unbox and review and share with you guys, by all means let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely check into it and see if it's worth it or not. And yeah, and I'll make videos of it, of course. So like I said, give this a thumbs up. And I'm sorry I don't have no makeup on and my hair looks very awkwardly. It's just because it's hot outside. It's been raining and stuff here in Hawaii. So yeah, so give this a thumbs up and a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video.